Hello there. Are you listening? This is very, very important, okay? If you don't stop listening to folk who ain't never did not one of the things that you have told them you are dreaming about or visioning for your life, stop listening to them who ain't did nothing, tell you your idea won't work, tell you, oh, that can't happen, tell you why you shouldn't do it, and they ain't did a half of a thought of it. Why are you listening to them? Don't let people put their fears of them not ever doing nothing on your life, okay? Some things, baby, you got to keep to yourself. Then show folk how it's done, all right? But do not let people who ain't never did nothing tell you what you can't do.